And we're back to learn JavaScript. Let us use a for in loop with an array. So in our last tutorial we've used this object of player, and instead of using that we'll define an array. Alright, const, and then let me make that about colors. So I call it colors, use square brackets for an array, and then I add a couple. We still keep our output to store and then print out the information. Well, we have to do some adjustments with our for in loop. We can keep the counter x, but we have to change the object name here to colors, which is the name of our array. And if I print that out, we have all of our colors. So this just works like with objects. Here you have to use the object name. You define a counter, I've called that x, and you use that to iterate through an array in this case, or an object. So you either use the object name or the array name. In our case now it's the array name colors, and the counter was x. So let me fix that here. And then I've just used document.write to print out the output. And this I can use a for in loop for arrays in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.